Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Nunchuk Wallet account. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to open your Nunchuk application. Ensure that you transfer any remaining funds to another wallet, since once the account is deleted, its associated wallets and their contents will become irretrievable. So from the main homepage, tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner, and then from the profile page, tap on account settings. Tap on the delete account button at the bottom of the screen from the account settings menu, and then type in delete as shown in the pop-up, and then tap on confirm. Wait for a few minutes and you will now be prompted to enter the confirmation code sent to you via your email. Open your email app and open up the account deletion confirmation code email that you received. Simply go ahead and copy the code, paste it inside the Nunchuk Wallet app, and tap on confirm account deletion. Soon after you do that, you will be redirected to the main login page and your account now will be deleted permanently. Remember that deleting your account does not remove your wallet data from Nunchuk network. The network doesn't hold personal information beyond email address, but transaction history and other data related to your wallet may remain. So that's how easily you can delete Nunchuk Wallet account within a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.